Welcome back to Naki on Tour, and this episode is a Ramly Burger Part 2.
We tried to make a Ramly Burger about a year ago from exactly here in our house in France, knowing that we were going to visit Kuala Lumpur earlier on this year, so that we could try the real thing. So now we've tried the real thing, we're going to have another go at making a Ramly Burger, or our interpretation of a Ramly Burger. Please leave us a comment on what we're doing right and even what we're doing wrong.
Obviously you can't taste it, but you're going to be able to see it, and just let us know in the comments, please, if it's, like you said, if it's right, if it's wrong, if
it's messy enough.
If it's messy enough, does look appetizing. So yeah, please leave a comment, and don't forget, if you enjoyed the video, please press like
and subscribe, please.
It means so much to our channel.
Well, no, it means so much to us.
Yes, it does. So if you could do them things, brilliant. We just got to do our thing now and make a Ramly Burger.
À la française.
Yes, it's going to be France versus Malaysia. So a Ramly Burger in France compared to the real Malaysian Ramly Burger.
No pressure then.
No pressure, we will see. We hope you enjoy.
And so while we're waiting for the barbecue to get up to speed, heat, I'll introduce you to the family. So this is Ivy. Hello, Bubba. And big fat black cat Midge. Hello, Midge. And Sid. Sid's the troublemaker of the family, who doesn't obviously want to be on camera. Sid. Steve is somewhere. Hopefully we'll find him later.
So let the Ramly Burger commence.
Well, I'm just going to fry off some onions to start with, so it's nothing exciting.
As you can see,
this is Mark's new toy. So when we were in Kuala Lumpur, John's Burger in Brickfield, where we had our Ramly Burger, he used one of these.
It's like a paint scraper, wallpaper scraper.
Yeah. So we had two, because one wasn't enough. So, and the fab.
That is a secret weapon.
It's a secret weapon, but it's not a secret anymore because we've just told you.
This is our selection of sauces. We have a volcano sauce, this is chili. We have a coconut and lime. We have, this is also what they use in the Ramly Burgers, a bit of Maggi. You'll see that later. And we have some barbecue dark beer sauce.
He's doing quite well because he's not got his glasses on, so he's doing
and
well.
obviously the legendary mayonnaise.
Right, so I'm going to put Mark's burger on now because he likes his well done. So I'm just, if there, Mark. If not like flash, it's just a case of putting a burger on the tray. So we're good. We'll be back. Obviously we don't have the proper Ramly burger buns. So we are using some brioche. So this is our French take on it. So I'm just gonna toast them lightly. Just for a minute. Just while Mark's burger's cooking.
How are we doing, Chef?
I just explained that we don't have the Ramly burger buns, so we have brioche just for...
I think they're very similar.
I'm not sure about that, but I'm really just toasting them a little bit. Yep. I'm just going to use my fingers. There we go. Okay, so that's doing nicely. So Mark likes his burger well done, and I like mine not well done. So I've just turned Mark's burger, and I'm just going to put mine on now.
You like yours rare?
Yeah.
Yeah. I like mine with no blood.
Charcoal, he likes his charcoal. Absolutely.
I must say also, the beauty of this is that because we're doing a barbecue outside on the plancha, I don't get to wash up. All I do is wash up the plates and the cutlery and the little chinaware. I don't do any of this. This is your domain, isn't it?
It is.
Yeah.
I enjoy it.
Yes.
So
So
there.
cheers.
Cheers. This video is sponsored by Desperados. It's not really.
Other products are available.
Yes, other beers are available from your local French supermarket.
So this is the scary part, isn't it?
It certainly is.
No pressure.
There's lots of pressure.
Okay,
So
crack
we've
the
got
egg in.
2 hands, or well, 4 hands, right? So spread the egg as as much as you can. Right, I'm gonna leave it at that maybe because
Yeah.
I just need no gaps. Oh well,
That's okay.
We'll see. Okay, perhaps that one's too big. Right, the magic Maggie.
Oh yes, that's what they do, isn't it? Yeah.
Right, do you want your ketchupy bits on here now? What sauces do you want, or do you want the burger on first?
I think what the Ramley style is, they tend to put the burger on and then they put the sauces over the burger, don't they?
Okay. Well, I don't think the egg's cooked yet. I don't think I spread it
Okay, we just leave it to cook.
thinly enough,
Yeah.
really.
Smells good.
Well, that's Maggie.
Yeah. So we're doing one egg at a time, aren't
We're
we?
doing one burger at a time, yeah. This
Because-
Mark's is the guinea pig. I don't think it's going to be great, but
Oh.
I'm going to put you.
Yes. And then we go with.
I'm going to pop that up on there because mine's cooking too much.
Then we go with sauces.
What
next.
sauce then?
We'll have mayonnaise. We'll have the barbecue sauce.
Mayo.
Yes, please.
And it's not opened. Okay, sack the sous chef, the commie chef, whatever it is.
Okay. I'm only the apprentice.
Right, let's start again.
So mayonnaise, a little drizzle.
Yeah?
Yes, and then we have some barbecue sauce.
Barbecue, dark beer, barbecue. Sounds. I should shake it first.
Little drizzle of barbecue
I think it's
sauce.
going to be more of a dollop than a drizzle. Oh,
Yeah.
hang on.
Oh yeah,
Oh.
that's perfect.
Yeah?
And that's enough for me.
That's enough for you. Okay, so.
Right, this is the bit I want to see. This is the folding.
Well, it's not, because this egg's not spread out enough, really.
Oh yes, you got it.
No, I don't.
I reckon if
think
you fold that bit in, then we turn the burger over.
Yeah, I reckon that's not going to work.
I think turn the burger over now on the griddle.
Well, I'm going to just use another
That's why we bought 2.
increment. Ow. Okay. Well, please send comments on how badly I am doing this. So,
Don't
flip.
forget I'm the guinea pig.
You are, this is yours. So, are you going to...
No, I think now
Oh.
you flick that onto there.
Well, no, because all the sauce is going to go this... No,
Okay.
definitely not.
Okay, yeah.
Do you want stuff on your on your thing?
No, that's fine as it is. I think I've got enough sauces there.
Do you want salad on it? Cheese?
I can sort the salad out.
Cheese, we forgot cheese. Cheese. This is how not to do it. There, now you can't see that there's a gaping hole anywhere.
That looks really good.
Does it indeed? Right. You got a plate? No? Okay, I'm just going to pop it in there for now because it will keep warm while I do mine. Okay? Mm-hmm. You don't want any other sauces?
That's perfect for me. Just let it rest.
Okay. All right.
So, take 2 of the egg.
Oh gosh. No pressure. A bit more oil, I think. The squidge. There. Squidge.
Forget this is the France Ramley versus the Malaysian Ramley.
Well, I think the
So please send us a comment of how she's getting on.
No, I think the Malaysian is going to be far superior to this French annihilation of your national dish.
Is Nikki good enough to make a Ramley in
No.
Malaysia?
Not at all.
Well, we'll let the
the audience decide.
The audience decide that
I
for
think
you.
we've decided myself, but anyway.
That looks better. That looks a lot better.
Right, Maggie.
A little bit of Maggie on the side. That's it.
Now, I'm going to have a double. I'm going to go with the
She's going for the volcano. Which is a chili.
It is hot and smoky. It's only 2 chilies, so it's not.
Okay. Oh. This is going to be messy.
Well, we were told last time, the messier, the better. So I'm going all in.
Also, we were told we ate it wrong because you're supposed to eat it in the paper. We
haven't got paper.
I know, but we took the paper off, didn't we, in Brickfield? Do you remember?
Yeah.
And it went all over the place. But
Right, let's get this going. We've fired her up now. I'm going to turn that one off. The onions are more than done. Okay. Still not convinced that that egg is thin enough, but my burger's probably overcooked now.
nobody's watching.
No, that's actually probably true. No, see, I need
What do you
to
need?
get behind it, but I can't, so.
Why don't you slide it forward? Or roll that over.
That possibly might make through. I don't like it when he's right. No,
I'm wrong.
he's wrong. Oh gosh. Right. Okay. So sorry, you wonderful people of Malaysia, for completely ruining your dish.
It just goes to show there is an art. There's an art how to make a ramly.
Well, they make it look so simple with these eggs. So, right, we can't see that now, so. Oh, cheese. Cheese will cover everything. Cheese. Thank goodness for cheese.
Oh,
There's someone just got shot.
there's a gunshot. Sorry, everybody. Clubs are going for us because we're making such a mess of a ramly burger. It's like, what's the saying? You should be shot.
Yeah, they're not far off, I think. Okay. Mark has his legendary accompaniment.
Have a listen. Crispy. So this
He's
is...
very, very proud of his potato wedges.
Oh, and advertising my Malaysian Langkawi t-shirt for a ramly burger.
Okay, we're going to dish up. So here we go. The finished article.
It doesn't look too bad, does it?
Well, it's going to look worse in a minute when you start eating.
Right. Hang on, tissue at hand.
So this is for Mark's nephew, Ruben, who's been asking, he's requested that we do this.
He loved the first video and he just loves the ramly burger. He's never tasted it, but he just likes the idea of it, I guess.
So Ruben, Mark's going to get messy just for you.
Oh.
It's not messy enough.
That's very good.
It's not messy enough. Oh, maybe it is.
Oh.
Maybe. Maybe it is messy enough.
Oh. That's very, very good.
But does it beat John's burger at Brickfields? No, of course it doesn't.
But send us a comment, please. Does that look like a ramly burger? Is that messy enough? What do you think?
I'm not entirely convinced.
Okay. So, chef de cuisine, chef de ramly.
That I'm not. I'm sure I'd get kicked out of Malaysia for doing this. It does look nice and neat, but it's not really.
Go for it.
Bon
Time
appetit.
to make a mess. How come yours is still intact and mine went all over the place?
No.
That looks good. No, is it better than John's burger?
No, of course not. It's overcooked, but the Maggi really does make it.
I think so as well. I don't think it's messy. Oh, it's on the face. Tuck in and enjoy.
Thank you.
Now, that's a Ramley burger. A Ramley.
Well, empty plate for Nikki. Empty plate for Mark. One potato for Sid and one potato for Ivy.
I am absolutely full up. That was amazing. I did say actually to you when I was eating it, that's up there with one of the best burgers. But the Ramley burger, I think the egg makes it. Egg and the Maggi.
Maggi definitely, so nice.
Yeah, so well done, chef. That was very, very good.
But, so it's Malaysia versus France.
Yes.
Who wins?
Do we say that, or do the people watching the video say that?
No, I'm going on taste.
On taste? Do you know what? There's not much in it. On taste,
really?
there's not much in it, but the presentation side of it, hands down.
He's got his finger out. He's gonna.
The presentation side of it, hands down, Malaysia win for the presentation because it's a proper burger parcel with the egg. It's not all
cheese
bits
holding
and
it
bobs,
together.
Cheese holding it together to hide everything. But taste-wise, I think it's on par with Malaysia. But looks-wise and presentation-wise, sorry, but Malaysia win on that one.
Let us know what you think. Any comments will be gratefully received.
What do you think?
I think the patty, the burger itself, is nicer here because it's, I don't know, it's just nicer. The sauces aren't as nice as Malaysia. The bun isn't as nice. I know, Mark's right, my presentation is a nightmare and thank goodness for sticky cheese. So yeah, Malaysia, you get this one. Thanks for watching.